Hey, welcome to New Tech and Old Toys. Here we are with another piece from 12 South. We have the Curve. This thing has been around for a little while now. It's popular with a lot of the MacBooks. It gives you a great vantage, great ergonomic angle. Decided to finally just pick this one up. Apple picked it for a reason. You can find it on their website. I had the opportunity in this time where the Apple Store opened up for a couple weeks here in this area. So they were pickup only. Well, they let us come in with masks and we could actually shop around. So it was kind of like the old times. So it was nice to go in and pick up a few accessories. This was one of them that I chose. I'm really glad I did. Let's take a look at it. It's very nicely done. So here's the packaging. 12 South. It's the Curve desktop stand for MacBook and laptops. We're certainly a MacBook and PC laptop household here. It's a great compliment. Now they say here on the side of the box, the following size MacBooks and other laptops, of course, 11 inch, 12 inch, 13 inch, and 15 inch. It's pretty stout. As you see the build, I think you'll feel confident about using it with your 16 inch MacBook Pro as well. It's super nice. Well, let's check it out. It says raise your screen for more comfortable desktop use. Now, I'll have to say, there are no sponsors. Not yet, at least. There might be someday, but for now, I'm just sharing what I find that I like and that I'm using. Again, thanks for viewing. Let's check this out. This is the Curve by 12 South. It's packaged really well. We're going to fit it today with the 2020 MacBook Pro 13. We happen to have it. We waited a few weeks for it. The video is about the Curve by 12 South. So, nice box. Really unusual. Great packaging. Nice orange interior. The 12 is cut out. It's very 3D. Here we have the stand. Oh, wow, look, the attention to detail is super nice. This thing is sleeved. It has its own case. This thing has its own protective case, and it in and of itself is very protective of your laptop. Let's check this out. There's the Curve, big happy face, but certainly neat. So, nice little note from 12 South. Thank you. Aluminum, 185 millimeters, notebook compliance, rubber support, and the owner's guide. Looks really solid, looks really good. Okay, so the sleeve is open on both ends here. Looks like we can probably slide it off on either side. Look at that, it's so smooth. Okay, I'm really liking the finish on this, that brushed aluminum. Is that anodized? It's solid feeling. It is very lightweight, but it's very solid feeling. That's actually rather thick feeling. It feels like it could hold a whole lot more than just a MacBook, but then a full-size 16-inch MacBook. Let's see it in action here. Here we have the 2020 MacBook Pro 13. So here's the Curve. You'll notice that there's some rubber padding or some material here that's a grippy material to keep the stand from sliding around on the desk. Hopefully you can see that well in the camera there. It has a nice not sticky, but grippy feel. So you know it's going to hold in position. Even if you find yourself manually typing on that keyboard while it's elevated, or if you find yourself moving around on the trackpad, it's going to stay still. The all aluminum body is very thick, it's very stout, has a very solid feel. Put a little pressure on it, a good 20 pounds of pressure there with my thumbs, and hardly any flex and bend. This is really a nicely made piece. There's no hard edges on this. These are all rounded out and very smooth. A really nice finish. In addition to the grippy footing or footprint there, you have some really nice padding and protection here on the top of these arms. So this grippy padding is here both to hold your laptop and protect it. And you know, if you have a beautifully machined piece of aluminum for a body that you don't want to scratch, and you always want to keep it looking its best. Well, this is one way to do it, to really elevate, no pun intended, to elevate the laptop to a new level of utilization, a new level of ergonomics, and you know, it's just aesthetically pleasing. It's a very nicely made thing. So let's go ahead and set the MacBook Pro on the 12 South. Now this is a 13-inch model. What we have today is the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. And there it is in good form and function. So I'll move that around. It's very solid. Yes, you can type on it. You can trackpad on it, and it's very comfortable. But really, with this kind of elevation, it's not that ergonomically sound to always be typing up in the air. You probably want an additional keyboard, something down on the desk level, or like in this case, something below. And so this is much more comfortable. You can reach up, throw your fingers on the trackpad, have your gestures, got your mouse down on the side, but really it's ideal for having an additional keyboard and elevating this screen. Speaking of elevating the screen, when you do take advantage of that opportunity, you can also set your elevated laptop adjacent to your main display. Well, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hit that like button if you like what you see. Subscribe. You know, please leave some comments. Let me know if you have any requests, suggestions, ideas, or just input. Have you had any experience with this? Are you aware of another monitor or riser stand that I might really like even more? Talk to me. I'm going to be reading all the comments. I'll certainly be responding. Really look forward to hearing from you, and hope to see you in another video very soon. Remember to subscribe for more content. Thanks.